If you love mashed potatoes the good old-fashioned way, then you're going to want to make sure that these taters are in your Thanksgiving Day lineup. If I asked you what your favorite part of the Thanksgiving Day meal is, what would it be? Is it the turkey, the stuffing, or the potatoes? For me, it's got to be the mashed potatoes. So let me show you a way to make them extra special. We start by peeling a good amount of potatoes and cutting them into chunks. We put them in a pot and cover them with cold water, and onto the stove they go. And as for how much you need, the basic rule of thumb is about a half a pound a person. Once they're tender, we drain them really well and put them back on the stove for maybe a minute or so until all the water's gone. Now, we put them in a bowl along with some softened butter, sour cream, and a bit of salt and pepper. At this point, you can either mash them with an old-fashioned potato masher or beat them with an electric mixer. If you go the mixer route, just don't overdo it or they'll get starchy. When these get passed around the holiday table, make sure you're ready to refill the bowl before you sit down, because they're that good. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for these classic mashed potatoes so you can make sure your mashed potatoes are on the top of everyone's best of the best list. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a classic way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.